Oh, Jules. Jules. You are in possession of one of my favorite all-time amps. And I mean a Desert Island amp. This is the best of all worlds, as far as I'm concerned. And you know what? I'm willing to overlook the fact that you brought it to me with a Swiffer sweeper in the back of it. I'm just messing with you, man. But I'm totally pumped. Totally pumped about this guy. Can't wait to dig in. We're going to see what's up, son. I'm just peeking in the back of that Bandmaster Reverb. I couldn't help myself. It's in exceptionally great condition. Back when courtesy outlets were still courteous. But then you realize that it's going to be an interesting night, isn't it? It's going to be a very interesting night. All right, Bubba, you're going to get a plug here, I guess, huh? So I hope that's a repro label, a tube chart. You didn't just slap your stuff on top of it. Kind of looks like you did, though. That's an original label. Oh, good Lord. All right. Hope you did good work, bud. Yeah. Oh. Let me throw that at you. So, we're doing a DC supply on a heaters? Is that what we're doing here? With this full wave bridge rectifier off of the pilot lamp and another filter supply. Is that what we're doing, really? I don't have a problem with that per se, but I don't know why this always happens whenever I run across the work of a person who refers to themselves as a doctor in whatever field outside of medicine. And this is what I typically see. And it's just sad. My heart just sank. You know, ceramics, that's part of the key to the sound of these things. Well, I'm surprised he left that one there on the reverb. Maybe he ran out. Just kind of offended. Replaced everything that didn't need to be replaced. Just so he can justify a bill.